United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 272. Coordination of international programs. In the field of transfer of marine technology, states shall endeavour to ensure that competent international organizations coordinate their activities, including any regional or global programs, taking into account the interests and needs of developing states, particularly landlocked and geographically disadvantaged states. Article 273. Cooperation with international organizations and the authority. States shall cooperate actively with competent international organizations and the authority to encourage and facilitate the transfer to developing states, their nationals, and the enterprise of skills and marine technology with regard to activities in the area.